this is Angie at Stampin' with Amore, and today I'm sharing this cute little, actually I'm going to be doing the Mother's Day box, and this is using the Apron of Love stamp set and framelits, which is a bundle, and if you get the bundle you save 10%, and you definitely need the framelits for these. But look at, I went ahead and did one for Father's Day too. It says best dad ever and best mom ever, and I thought these were super cute. They really go really quickly once you get all your framelits cut out, because look how cute the little utensils are in these. So it fits a really good amount of, let's see, it is 2 inches, 2 by 2 by 2 for the box size. So this one I just put a little bow, but I put a bow tie on this one for Father's Day. And the paper that I'm using for the Father's Day one is the True Gentleman Designer Series paper. It's this, and you can see I cut the bow out, Fussy cut the bow out, bow tie. But this paper is super cute for any kind of masculine card. It's really cute. So I use that, and then I use the Fresh Florals, and this is our 2017-19 in colors. It comes in all different patterns, and you've seen me use this before. I love this paper, and that can be found on page 187. It's this paper right here. So that's what I'm using for the Mother's Day one, and that's the one I'm going to share. But look how cute, and they're going to be super cute for Mother's Day or Father's Day. Wouldn't this be cute too? I mean, wouldn't we have to put the utensils in, but I think these would be cute as little party favors. But the utensils really do jazz it up. It's really sweet. So this is what I'm sharing today. And then for this project, you are going to need, like I said, the Fresh Florals Designer Series paper. And I went ahead and cut all these pieces out already, so you didn't have to watch me cut them all out. So you need to, and I used the basic black. I used the thick Whisper White for this box because I wanted it to be really sturdy, so you can put, you know, a good amount of candy in it. And then this is the Fresh Florals, and look at the other side. This paper is gorgeous. I love it. So you need 2 of those cut and 2 of the thick Whisper White. Then you're going to need 2 of the aprons cut. And then this piece measures 1/2 by 4. This is for the handle. And then I used the silver foil paper Stampin' Up has, and I cut out all the utensils for that. Aren't those cute? So that is what we're using for this. Then for the box part, you're going to need a piece that's 4 3/4 by 4 3/4. Again, this is the thick Whisper White. And you can use the regular Whisper White. This is just makes it a lot more sturdy. And I love using the thick for this. And then I'm also using our crinkled seam binding ribbon for the Mother's Day one, and this is also the Berry Burst. Alright, so let's get started scoring this. And we are going to score this at 1.5. So score it at 1.5 and 3 1/4. And then you're going to turn it and 1.5. and 3 1/4 again. And that's it. So to cut the box, I'm going to just cut up to the first score mark, rotate it 1/4 turn, and then 1/4 turn again, and then 1/4 turn again. This helps with the bulk of this box. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm just cutting from this corner to that corner. And this also helps to keep your box not so thick. So we're just going to do that on all the corners. So it's going to look like that. Right, now let's get the bone folder and sharpen all these score marks. because you want your box to be square. I always talk about how this is really an important part of a box. Alright, so I am going to turn it over, and I'm going to use fast fuse for this part. I use the Tombow for a lot of this box, and I would use it if I wasn't on camera. But the fast fuse holds these boxes really well together. So we're using the fast fuse. And then just bring up your corners, and it's just going to be a little square box. Like I said, it's 2 by 2 by 2. I believe the height is even, no, the height is 1.5. So it's 2 by 2 by 1.5. Alright, so next thing we're going to do, let's bring these pieces in. And we are going to mat this. I didn't want to use straight designer series paper. It's not thick enough to hold the handle or anything. So we're just going to glue these together. That's why I'm using the Tombow for this, because it makes it easier, because you have a little wiggle room to get these lined up. So that's that one, and then we're going to do this one. And get those lined up. And then we're going to stamp our apron. And on the apron, I'm going to use the Memento Black ink. And on the other one, I didn't stamp both sides, but on the Father's Day, I did. See, on both sides, I stamped it, and I thought it looked better with both. And on the Mother's Day, I just did it on the one side, and I should have done it on that side too. All right, so let's grab our, this says Best Ever, and then we're going to put Mom on the inside. I need to re-ink this ink pad. Oh, I messed that up. Let's go ahead and turn it around. I'm going to try my other ink pad, because this one seems to be getting a little bit where I need to re-ink. Okay, and then we're going to do the other one. These both seem to need re-inking. Yep. And then we're going to take the Mom. Let's ink up the Mom. And that fits right in the center. So we got both aprons inked up, ready to go. And I don't know if I showed you, this is the stamp set. Look how cute. And it's Apron of Love, and these are, look at all the framelits you get with this. So you get a set for the dad, the barbecue, and then these are just kitchen utensils. And then there's even a little rolling pin there, and I thought that was super cute too. I didn't use the rolling pin because I didn't have enough room for it. But, all right, so one of these, we're just going to lay the utensils down. Let me see. I'm just going to put some here so these hold the utensils in place. And you, like I said, you have wiggle room when you use the Tombow. And just put them where you want them. It doesn't really matter. And then we're going to put one of the aprons on. Just center that You can even move these up. Oops, I scooted that down. That's why I like the Tombow for something like this, because you can move it around and get it just right. Alright, so we have those all in there. Isn't that cute? I love this. And then we're going to put it on the other side. I made another box, and I'll link that. I made a different box using this stamp set and framelits too. And I think it was the brownie box I used it for. So I'll link that or put it down in the description. So then we're going to just attach this here. And I'm doing it like this so that it's even. And this, it touches the bottom. The bottom here touches. So it doesn't rock when you go to put candy or something in it. And then we're going to do this one. And the Tombow, once it dries, it really is going to be sturdy. Okay, so now we're ready to put our handle on. And for the handle, I just took my bone folder and kind of rounded this to make it even, and then just add a little Tombow on each end. And this you might have to hold for a minute for it to be sturdy. And then I'm going to grab the ribbon and we'll tie some ribbon around here. I love this crinkle ribbon. That's why I picked this color again, because I did use this color in another video recently, but I'm really loving this ribbon and I want to use it. And you can make your bow however big you want it to be. I'll probably make this a little bit smaller. It really ties nice. Just get what size. Just like that. Everything's sticking to my fingers now. Every time I use the Tombow, everything will stick to my fingers. So there it is. Is that not super cute? I love this. I think it came out adorable. This was actually my original idea when I first got this. Oh, this one I put a little ruffle on the bottom, but it's also in the framelit set. But this one I left plain, so they look cute either way. But when I first saw this set, I really wanted to do this, and I ended up doing the brownie box first. But I thought this would be a great idea for Mother's Day. And then here's the one for Father's Day. Isn't that super cute? What dad or mom wouldn't want to get one of these? I think they're super cute. So I hope you enjoyed it, everyone. If you need any supplies, you can go to my blog at stampingwithamore.com and shop right from my blog. If you liked the video, please give me a thumbs up. It really helps me a lot. And you can hit the little bell and you can get notifications every time I upload a new video. I appreciate you all. Thanks so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next one. See you later. Bye.